Hi everyone, we are Raúl, Islas and
Felipe, and today we're gonna show you a video how to make molletes step by step.
let's start.
Okay, the ingredients that we need to cook the mollete are the next one. We need 2 loaves of French bread, 200 grams of cheese and ham, and 1 can of fried beans.
And extra to this mollete are a sauce known as Pico de Gallo. The ingredients for this sauce are a lemon, a quarter of onion, a serrano chili, and 2 tomatoes.
Okay, the first step is to cut the bread in half. Then we push a little bit the inside because we need to add the ingredients. So that's what I need to push a little bit the bread.
Then we spread a spoon of fried beans on the top of the bread. The beans are gonna fill all the half bread that we cut. Molletes are almost ready. We only need to put them in the microwave. And then set the time for 1 minute to make the cheese melt. 1 minute. Okay. Meanwhile, our molletes are cooking, we can make the sauce. We need to add our chopped ingredients on the bowl. Okay. Add the ingredients on the bowl. Chef Felipe. Be careful, chef. Okay. The tomatoes, alright. Okay. We add the lemon juice, squeezing the lemons with force. All you can. I think that's okay. Then mix all the ingredients to make the sauce, and add some salt, but it will depend on the taste of the people. We only add a little bit of salt, and there you go. And remember, our molletes are ready.
Finally, we only add the sauce of Pico de Gallo in the top of the bread. Only if you want it. If you don't want it, it's okay. The meanwhile, it's ready to eat. And there you go. You have a mollete easy to prepare for everyone.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching our video.